So today we're going to talk about how to vacuum if you have RSI. And I want you to keep in mind that if you don't have the strength for this, this is not for you. If you can pay someone to do your vacuuming, that's great. If you can persuade someone to do your vacuuming for you, that's even better. But if you do have the strength, this will help you. The reason why I'm all dressed up is because I'm going to show you how to dance with your vacuum cleaner. What many people do when they're vacuuming is pull their shoulders out of their sockets like this. That can be very stressful on your shoulder. Whereas if you dance with your vacuum cleaner, you can use your core strength. And how you do that is you keep your elbow close to your ribs and you place one foot in front of the other and you just slide your weight from one leg to the other. You can do a little cha-cha back, cha-cha forward. So that's how you dance with your vacuum cleaner. So that's the vacuum cleaner trick.